Palestinian Women's Association, or Rebuild Gaza 24 team in Chile, we've been able to install another 5 tents for 5 families, and we covered them from the harsh winter and the cold. But the need hasn't stopped yet. People are struggling. People are sleeping in the streets yet. This will be the first tent, inshallah. Ya Allah. This is the second tent. It's completely worn out. This is the third tent. It crashed because of the wind. Hello, hello, hello. This is the fourth tent. I saw them before. They already drowned. This is the fifth tent that we're gonna install, inshallah. With your support, we can keep providing families warmth, dignity, and protection from the harsh winter and cold. So please keep supporting Rebuild Gaza. Thank you.